So there is a big track and field meet coming up at the National Stadium this weekend with a plethora of local and international stars. Of course, Jamaican track and field audiences are no strangers to global stars gracing the National Stadium track. But just a suggestion here, not just for the Jamaica International, but the Racers Invitational is coming up. The National Championships are coming up. All of these senior meets need to improve in their stadium communication. The viewing public needs to be constantly informed about the status and lane positions of the stars, plus some more between race interaction as well. Kind of like a Jamaican flavored international athletics meet. I mean, none of these events can compare to boys and girls champs when it comes to vibes and energy. So we don't have to go that far. But make we do look better, man. Better information and some more stadium interaction. Let us not try to adopt the European style, but instead, let us take the Jamaican style to the world. to the world.